This gas control knob is red. That's orange. Turn left. You need to remember don't turn it to maximum when use it at first, or the fire will be too big to use. Okay, the fire is come out. You can hear the sound. The fire is really powerful and really strong. You can turn the gas volume knob to control the fire size, bigger or smaller. Smaller maybe can use for cooking, kitchen, culinary, and the bigger one you can use for welding, BBQ, and maybe some other outdoor activities.